I'm Arman Lensing and I'm back in the kitchen with Hisense to bring you easy mid-week meals. I'm going to show you how to use the double basket air fryer to make a crispy fried beef. It's one of my all-time favorite recipes and an easy go-to when I'm hungry. So let's start by switching on the air fryer. We're going to only use one basket. So in our bowl we're going to start with our beautiful beef strips. To that we add sweet soy, one of my favorite ingredients in the kitchen. A little bit of sherry, ginger and garlic, a little bit of corn flour, big glug of olive oil goes in, and then we mix. So we're putting directly into our air fryer basket, back into the air fryer. So while our steak is air frying, another part of this recipe is of course the sauce that goes with it. So in a little mixing bowl we start with sesame seeds, corn flour, plain soy sauce, make sure you use a good quality one, some brown sugar, a small smidgen of sherry, some chicken stock, some spring onions. Ah, voila! That is the magic of an air fryer. Now we add our sauce ingredients. That goes back into our Hisense air fryer. I reckon another 5 to 10 minutes for the meat to nice and caramelize and the sauce to thicken up. Heaven in an air fryer. And so I'm serving this with beautiful egg noodles, the simplest thing to cook. This is what a mid-week meal should look like. Wholesome, delicious, my mouth is literally watering. For the full recipe, check the comments below. Hisense, the heart of the home. Hierdie gaan lekker wees. Gaat ons nou.